Hey everyone, and welcome back to TechTube TV. Today, we're diving deep into the world of home entertainment with a full review of the Superbox S6 Pro Android TV streaming box. This device promises a premium streaming experience with no monthly fees, packing a punch with its latest features. Also promising powerful performance, 6K streaming, and a plug-and-play experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Superbox S6 Pro arrives in a sleek, modern retail box featuring the signature blue and black design, with some features printed in the front and side of the box. Now, let's open the box to see its contents. Everything you need to get started is included, and the packaging is clean and professional. From the box, you'll find the Superbox S6 Pro unit itself, a Bluetooth voice remote, an HDMI cable, power adapter, and a user manual. So, a pretty standard unboxing experience, but with the added promise of that advanced voice remote. Now that we've got everything out, let's take a closer look at the device itself. The design of the Superbox S6 Pro is compact and minimalist. It features a matte black finish. At the top, the brand name Superbox is printed, and in front is the model S6 Pro. It has a small LED display panel at the front showing the time and status. On the side, this is a microSD card slot, USB 3.0 port, USB 2.0 port, and a restore pinhole in case you need to reset this device. At the back, these two antennas can be adjusted to get the best possible Wi-Fi signal. Most of the ports are available at the back. This is the DC-IN power port, IR port, AV port, HDMI out port, LAN Ethernet port, and SBDIF digital audio. On the other side are ventilation holes. At the bottom, there are 4 anti-skid rubberized feet that provide good grip on flat surfaces and more ventilation holes. In the middle is the product model name, MAC address, and serial number. This remote control has all the standard buttons. There's dedicated TV control buttons, a mouse cursor button, and voice control button. Without gloves, the remote keys feel velvety and smooth to touch. The back of the remote has pairing and programming instructions etched on the surface. This remote requires 2 AAA batteries. Included is a simple user guide which covers product specification, connection settings, and troubleshooting information. I will explain a lot more in this video, so please continue watching. Now let's test the Superbox S6 Pro. Connect the power adapter and HDMI from the Android box to a display such as TV or monitor and turn on power. The Android splash screen displays Superbox logo and animation. Boot process took 34 seconds to come to the disclaimer notice screen. Superbox S6 Pro does not have the entertainment apps pre-installed. It is up to the users to get needed apps from app stores. To proceed, click Agree. Here, you can choose to connect via Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I'm connecting to a Wi-Fi network. Once connected, click Next. Use the remote control up or down arrow keys to adjust and fit the screen display. Then click Finish and the Superbox home screen loads. Superbox has an easy-to-use and practical interface across its TV box models. There are large tile-like icons for live TV, VOD, playback, and others. These 6 tiles below allow you to customize your favorite app shortcuts. The first icon below is to access Android system settings and device preferences. Next is the File Manager, where you can access and manage local storage files, or from external storage such as microSD cards or USB drives. Next is the One-Click System Optimizer, which cleans and optimizes memory to improve system performance. This is the browser-based internet speed test to check your current internet connection speed. Next is the Uninstall app, where you can uninstall any app that you have installed. This is the remote control pairing for voice control. The instructions shown are pretty straightforward, and it worked for me. Next is to set app shortcuts for number keys on the remote. Very convenient to launch favorite apps using a remote control. If you click on Live TV, there is nothing installed here. And under VOD, it is the same. The entertainment apps are not pre-installed on this box, and there are a few easy steps to get them up and running in this box. Now let's look at Superbox S6 Pro TV box hardware specifications. This is an X-Droid board shown as manufactured by Google, and the model is showing correctly as Superbox S6 Pro. It comes with 4 GB RAM and 32 GB storage, however it is reporting a lower amount here. Bluetooth 4 is supported in this device. The CPU System-on-Chip, SoC, is an Allwinner H313/H616. It has a 4-core ARM Cortex, A53 processor running between 480 to 1512 MHz. For graphics, the GPU is a single-core ARM Mali G31. It supports the OpenGL 3.2 standard. The installed Android is version 12 with API level 31. The Android security patch date is a little old now. This device is rooted, and that allows a user perform actions such as changing the operating system, replace or alter settings in system applications, install custom themes, and download specialized apps. The Mali G31 integrated graphics processing unit supports Vulkan API, which is a low-level, low-overhead, cross-platform API and open standard for 3D graphics and computing. Google Play Store is available for Superbox S6 Pro, and you can get a lot of Android apps. As you can see, there's a wide variety of app selection that you can install and use: entertainment, music, games, and many more. I can't show you how to get or install the Android box streaming apps due to YouTube guidelines, but I will explore the external apps as part of my product testing process. Please comply with the law and regulations of your country when it comes to content access or use. I will skip showing the app installations and go straight to the apps to test. I have installed the usual Superbox apps: the Live Blue TV, Blue VOD, Playback and Backup TV. And recently, I got to know about additional apps that are made available to the TV box. These gray icon apps are the new ones, and we will look into the apps soon. The Blue TV app has more than 2,000 live TV channels listed. It is a long list, and it is not possible for me to test all the channels. I am using a Wi-Fi connection for the Android TV box, and the channels that I randomly tested loaded without issue, and sometimes taking a few seconds longer. The selected channel shows the current TV program name, description, and duration. Pressing the OK button on the remote control makes it full screen. Blue TV app channels are generally in high-quality video. The Blue VOD app is where you get movies and TV shows. At the top, it has tabs called Recommended, Newest, Movies, TV Series, and Settings. And the bottom has buttons for History, Favorite, and Search. On the Movies tab page, you get options to search, filter, or navigate movies through 26 genres. All genres here shows page 1 of 1216 and displays 12 movies per page. New release movies can be found here. Navigating through the categories loads the movie list within it, and that makes it easier to find a movie to watch. I picked random movies, and they did play well in good quality. On the TV Series tab, you get options to search, filter, or navigate TV shows through 29 genres. All genres here shows page 1 of 300, which shows 12 TV series per page. New release TV shows can be found here. Navigating through the categories loads the TV series list within it, and that makes it easier to find a show to watch. I tested random TV shows, and they did play well in good quality. The Blue Playback app has a list of channels where you can find past 7 days of shows. If you missed any live TV shows, this is where you can come back to catch up on programs. Although there are more than 2,000 live TV channels, the playback feature is currently available for 86 TV channels. The Backup TV app acts as an alternative to all the previous apps that we have seen so far. There are live TV channels, movies, and TV series available with the same app features, but a slightly different interface. This app is useful if the main apps experience any issue. Luckily, I didn't need to use the Backup TV app so far. There is a new app called Blue Sport, and is great for all the sports fans. There are 152 sports channels to choose from, and the interface is similar to Blue TV. These gray icons are third-party streaming apps that are available to install for additional viewing options. Combined, they provide a lot more choices, but I did find issues with some channels buffering. Fire TV and VOD has 16,257 TV channels placed in various categories, which includes English and non-English TV channels. This is a huge list, however not all channels work well. The interface and navigation is different from Blue TV. Fire TV Movies has more than 30,000 movies in its catalog. Movies are grouped into categories on the left, and it makes it easier to find something to watch. Fire TV Series has more than 6,000 TV shows in its catalog. TV shows are grouped into categories on the left similar to movies. Ignite TV and VOD is another app with live TV, movies, and TV series. This interface design and color theme is not really my favorite. Ignite TV layout has categories, channel list, and channel preview, which is similar to Fire TV. Popcorn VOD is mainly for movies and TV series. It has more than 23,000 movies spread into categories. Under its TV series page, there are more than 8,700 TV shows available. Prime Cinema app also has movies and TV series, with similar interface and navigation. Prime Loops is another app for TV channels. There are more than 2,000 channels available here. All the new gray icon apps have similar interfaces and overlapping contents. More similar apps include Prime Sports, Prime TV and VOD, Prime Worldwide, and Sky TV. To summarize, Superbox S6 Pro is an amazing Android media box for live TV and video-on-demand VOD playback. With the original Blue TV and VOD apps, and the additional third-party apps, this Android media box has a lot of live TV and video-on-demand to choose from. Compared to other Superbox S6 models, Superbox S6 Pro is a more affordable version with its black plastic body and lower storage capacity. If you need a box primarily for streaming media content, Superbox S6 Pro is a good choice to get. That's all for this review, and I hope this video has been useful for you. On TechTube TV, I make easy-to-understand videos on technology-related topics. If you like my content, please consider clicking the subscribe button to follow my future video uploads. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.